welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new, thank you so much for clicking on today's video. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. My name is Jacqueline, and on this channel, I do budget related videos. If those sort of videos interest you, I do hope that you consider subscribing. Okay guys, so in today's video, we're gonna be doing my cash stuffing for my second paycheck in July. Yes, today is actually August 12th, but I have no words. It's just, Anyway, let's just start to count this cash to see how much I'm cash stuffing today. Let me get my calculator. Okay. So that's 51, 150, 200. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 94, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 110, 20, 30. 5, 10, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85, 95, 105, 10, 15, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm cash stuffing $885. So I'm going to set this up and we're going to start with my revolving cash. Okay, we're gonna start off with this binder here. This is my revolving cash. This is the money that I use for my daily spending. Eating out is going to get $50. That's 20, 30, 45, 46, 7, 8, 9, 50. Spending is going to get 80. That's 20, 40, 50, 60, 5, 75, 6, 7, 8, 9, 80. Compra, which is groceries, is going to get $185. I did not record my last 2 weeks, my last week in July, weekly unstuffing. I am actually going to be posting my weekly unstuffing number 3 for the month of July today. On August 12th, but I don't know when this video is going up. But anyway, I rolled over $30 from that unstuffing that I did not record. I did it off camera because I just needed to get my bills paid. Okay, so this is gonna get $185. So that's 51, 20, 40, 50, so that's 150, 160, 75, 80, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 95, let's see, I can't count. So 185 plus 30. So I have 215 for the next 2 weeks. This is from my July 28th paycheck. Okay, so gas is going to get 120. Gas here where I live, it is, yesterday Sam's Club was $3.50 and the regular gas at the gas stations was like $3.40 at Sam's Club, and then $3.68 or something like that at the regular gas stations. So I rolled over $25 for my last weekly unstuffing. Again, I did not record that, so this is gonna get 120. Let's just make sure that this is 120. That's 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 105, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 30, 45. So I have 145. Household is going to get 5. Household now has 10, 20, 30, 45, 55, 65, 75, 81, 2, 3. Okay, my future rent is going to get 65. So that's 50, 65. Okay, so my future rent, I think, let's see. I think I might need to swap out some of the prop money to represent what's in the bank account because, oh no, that's next paycheck. That's next cash stuffing. So let's see how much I should have here. So I should have 2,530. So that's 1,000, 2,000, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's 2,400 and 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 500 and 5, 10, 15, 25, 30. So that's correct. I have $2,530. Cell phone is getting 25. So that's a 20 and a 5. Cell phone now has 20, 40, 60, 65, 75. We're gonna move on to my low priority. And this envelope here has 3 anniversary gifts that I currently am saving for. So let me get my calculators because I put them all together in the same envelope. So MWP is getting a 5. So they have 100, 150, 75, 85, 95, 200. TAP is getting a 5. 20, 40, 65, 75, 85, 90. JBP is also getting a 5. They have 20, 40, 60, 85, 95. So between all 3 tabs, I have $385. The only other envelope getting cash stuffed in this binder today is Dustin, and he is going to get 105. So that's 50, 70, 90, $105. So 105 plus, he has some money in his bills for this month of August. So he has 50, 75 plus 75 plus 13. So he has a total of 193. We're going to go now to my high priority. I switched out my binder to this one. I've had this binder since like I first started cash stuffing. It's similar to my 8.5 that I use for my savings challenge. I love this little binder. Okay, so car maintenance is going to get 5. Car maintenance now has a 500 and 20, 40, 60, 80, 610, 20, 30, 45, 55, 65, 66, 7, 8, 9, 71, 2, 3, 4. So that's 674. Medical is also getting a 5. Medical has 1, 2, 3, 4, 25, 30, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's a 438. Emergency funds is also getting a 5. Travel is getting 80. Emergency fund now has 500, 600, 700, 20, 40, 50, 65, 75, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. So that's 790. Emergency funds now has 100, 200, 300, 400, 20, 40, 60, 85, 20, 40, 60, 80, 95, 96, 7, 8, 9. So that's a 599. I did do an unstuffing on this when I did not record. I took out between vacation and Dustin daycare, I took out 309 plus 196. So I took a lot of money out of this envelope, but that's okay. That's why I'm cash stuffing $80 per paycheck. Yeah, that way I'm set up for my November vacation between my Airbnb and my car rental. Okay, so savings is going to get a 5. Savings has 1, 2, 20, 30, 45, 55, 65, 70, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's 278. Monthly expenses is getting 5. I have 1,000, 2,000, 500, and 20, 30, 40, 5, 55, 65, 70. So I have $2,570. All right, so now we are up to my fun favorite part, which is cash stuffing my savings challenges. Okay, so I ended up reworking this. I don't know if I did it for this one or for the next cash stuffing, but I was gonna finish my penny challenge before my 52 week, and I didn't want to do that because I don't want $680 just sitting in here. So I had to rework my budget from now until the end of the year. That way I'm cash stuffing both sides until the end of the year. So penny challenge today, we're gonna go to June. So here's June. June, I have to save 50, and I'm going to put $10 in here. All right, so here's a 10. And now we're gonna go to my 52 week. This is gonna annoy me. Okay, so 52 week, we're gonna start off with July. Okay, so let's move this over. So we have July. I need to cash stuff this with 24. So that's 21, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And then August is going to get 33. 20, 31, 2, 3. So let's see how much August has. August should have 130. Let's see if I have 130. So I have 50, 70, 90, 100. Wait a second. Wait a minute. Okay, so let's just make sure that this is 130. So we have 50, 70, 90, 100, and 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. That is correct. So we have 130. So that is fully funded. And now we're going to go to September, and we're going to put only $3. So here are the 3. Let's see how much September has. We have 20, 40, 60, 81, 10, 20, 5, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, so September is fully funded. So I will update these off camera, and I did this the other day too. I updated this. These are the ones that are fully funded already. So I'm doing pretty good with this challenge. Okay. This envelope is super thick. Okay, so this should be $60, and this is gonna go towards my savings challenge. So we have 20, 30, 45, 55, 56, 7, 8, 9, 60. All right, so I'm gonna put this in my envelope, or I should say my savings challenge binder. This, I have not recorded a savings challenge. This is from my last paycheck, my first paycheck in July's here. So I'm gonna actually record that after this here. So I'm just gonna put it all here. It's gonna go into the same savings challenge, which is this one right here. All right, you guys, so this is it. I am at the end of my video, and I did not take a sip of my coffee. Let me take a sip. So good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you thought about it. And if you're not already subscribed, do please consider subscribing. Go ahead, leave me a cow emoji or some sort of animal emoji. That way I know you made it at this point. You guys take care. Have an amazing morning, day, or night. And I'll catch you on my next one. Bye, guys.